All right, here we go. First video ever. Trio, George Thorogood, Delaware Destroyers. Great little band. Third record is from the Flamin' Groovies is Flamingo, if you count their 10-inch as a record, or it's Teenage Head if you don't count. And both of these records are absolutely fabulous. And for a triple record set, we got Leon Live. Leon Russell Live. Wonderful set. I actually saw this tour in Berkeley when they came through. Lots of pictures, lots of records. Sounds great. Anyway, Jason, hope you get 300. Well, you already got 300 subscribers. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks. Bye.